Hi there, welcome to GB's Garage. Today we're talking window seals and specifically the care and maintenance of window seals. Especially when it comes to older cars like this E31 850, we've got to make sure that we look after the window seals, they remain pliable. You can replace them, but they're going to be really expensive, so it's a lot cheaper to just do the correct maintenance and ensure that they're pliable for many years to come. So I'm going to show you the product that I use on all my cars, even the newer cars, because we don't need to wait until the car gets old before we start maintaining those seals. So the product that's been spoken about on a lot of BMW forums, I've bought it off Amazon, I've used it, I love it. It's this Gummi Pflege Stift, which is translated to rubber care pen, I think it is. It's like an old type shoe polish applicator. So we're going to put that on, and it really just cleans and moisturizes that rubber seal. But before we do this, I have some Multi-X from CarPro. I've diluted it 1:20. I'm going to spray it on the seals just to clean the dirt that is there. Just doing this, yeah, it'll make your seals look good, but ultimately all these dry, all these degreasers and detergents and that kind of thing, they do dry rubber seals. So first we're going to do that, wipe it down, follow it up with some of that. Okay, so this particular door seal is a little bit tricky, I guess, to video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the multi-purpose cleaner onto the microfiber, just rub it down. There we go. We're going to give this bottle a bit of a shake. And just like the shoe polish, you need to squeeze it. You can see there's a tip there. So once that tip is pressed in, that releases the liquid in there. So we're going to just do that a little bit. There we go. And then it's really just like polishing your shoes. Wipe it on, and the seal will absorb it. You don't need to go and wipe it afterwards. Do both sides. There we go. And now we can move on to the window seals. Okay, something I forgot to show you. You can see on the microfiber here, this is just from wiping those seals down. Okay, another thing I forgot to mention up front is, of course, by keeping your seals cleaned and lubricated so they remain pliable, even sunroof seals, don't forget those, you have less squeaks and creaks. So another good reason to keep everything clean. You can see the dirt that's come off that. So again, we take this. Now we want to be careful, we don't want to get too much in here. Let's start on this side. There we go. We don't need it running down the car, but if it does, that's fine. You can always just clean it up. Okay, there's seals on the inside here. Want to do those. And along the front. There you go. If you go a little bit over somewhere or you've gone into the glass, just take a microfiber and wipe it off. And there you go. Easy as that. Again, highly recommended. It lasts a long time. Easily available on Amazon. I think I paid $25 for it. So I recommend you get yourself some and look after those window seals and sunroof seals. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.